Yeah, so working strategically, once I get the second coat on here for tonight, if I can put on a couple more coats tomorrow, great, and then let it rain, baby. If you need to have it rain for a day, and then the weather's supposed to clear up, and it's supposed to be sunny for like 4 days. And so what I think I'm gonna do, check that out, look at that. Look at all those quails. We've got a bird feeder up there, and there's some little birds up there eating, and they're dropping stuff from that one and that suet. They're dropping the seeds down there, and then the quail can eat them. Cool. And see, there's some more quails down in over here. Oh, we just missed them. And see, look at that feeder. Look at all those little birdies. There's a quail. And then they drop seeds down in there, and the quail get it there too. Oh, where are you, quail? Oh, there you are. Beautiful. Look at that. He's one fat and happy camper. Okay, so what's going on over here? There's my Stellar Jay, the female. Always something going on around here, it seems like. I don't know where the squirrels are. Usually there's a squirrel, and he jumps, he gets on the bottom of that, and then he reaches up there and crams a whole handful in his mouth. But that's okay, I don't mind. Look at that. I don't know how oh, there he goes. Looks like we need to fill that up. She went to the store today, and she went and got them some more food. Hungry guys. Okay, anyways, with it being sunny for the next 4 days, after like 2 days from now, I think I'm gonna get this up to three more coats at least on the floor. And then I'm going to come down here and start working on these stairs, because it's going to be sunny for about 4 days. That way, it'll give me time to clean up around the edges and the inside corners, scrape some of that stuff off, prep them a little bit, caulk around the edges, and then I don't know if I can get the paint on there by then or not, but at least I'll get it weather tight, so that if it does start raining after this week, then at least my stairs will be done too. And then I can worry about putting these tiles down after that. Okay? So work strategically. That's what it's all about. Alright, so now I'm going to put some of my tools away. And once I'm done with that, I'll get back here with the roller and put on my second coat. No turning back. I am putting this down, and it should dry by the time it gets too late tonight.